Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to split this full name into first and last name. So let's get started. Here we can see that uh, in the cell B2, the full name Arav Patel. Uh, Between Arav and Patel, there is comma and one space. And in the next cell, Ananya Sharma has space between them, and also in the next column Vivan and Gupta are separated by comma and space. So the question is, how can we split this full name into first and last name? So for this we will first select this entire data, and then we will go to data tab. In the data tab we will select text to column, and in this we will choose delimited option, and then we will click on next. And here we will see that this full name is separated by comma, so we will first click comma, and some names are separated by space. So also we will select space here, and then click on next. And our destination should be the cell C2, because Arav Patel is in the cell C2, and now is in the cell B2, and in the next column we will split this data. So we have selected C2 cell, and then we will click on finish. And here we can see that this full name has been separated into first name and last name. Thank you for watching this video.